actually started with a phone call. I tried to get somebody at my old house to come out and look at my air conditioning unit, and I probably called at least 3 different people, and it was amazing. Nobody called me back. Jay actually picked up his phone on the first ring. I started talking to him, and I knew kind of right away that the guy really cared about his customers and his business, and he was actually over there the next day and did an excellent job. That's probably been at least 7 years, and I've used him on numerous occasions since. I've referred him to numerous people, and I'm the type of person that won't refer anybody unless I know they're just going to do an excellent job for him. This house here I've been in for 5 years. The builder, who I won't mention, put in an underpowered air conditioning unit, and he came out and put in a much, much better system. My wife now complains because she's too cold since he's put that in. Not only has my air conditioner bill gone down, but I'm way more comfortable in my house than I've ever been before. I've gotten 3 of my other neighbors to do the same thing with him. I also do barbecue grills, a lot of gas type appliances, and a lot of people need gas plumbing things done as well. Jay just takes it all the way. He puts the customers at ease. He actually gets the permits that he needs to do for the customers and makes it as easy of a transaction as they possibly can with them.